It's hard to imagine. Picture me rolling. Yo, Stocks 5150. We are back. Today is earnings day. Beep, 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 beep. I need to get some sound effects, huh? Yeah. JP Morgan Chase. They topped the estimates. JP Morgan revenues exceeds expectations. Um it says company recorded a one-time pre-announced charge related to its takeover of Apple Card loan. Oh man. While trading revenue, Wall Street revenue beat estimates and investment banking appeared to disappoint. JP Morgan Chase executive will host a 8:30 analysis call. Let's see. Adjusted earnings 5.3. Let's go look at this. See what the stock market's doing. Do we care what JP Morgan is doing? Not really. We don't have any positions open. All right, we're making a little, that's pushing up a little bit, but we're still in this range, you see? You see? Still in the same range. What was this range, boys and girls? It's the 15-minute ORB. And that was from the other day, yesterday. So we're still in that range. We have not gotten out of that range. We're at the top end of it, but still in this range. So, if anything, look for this to bump and bounce back, fall back down. We're crossing over. Yeah, so that's just the earnings. What did it say? Adjusted earnings 5.23 million, 5.3 per share versus 5 was the consensus. Revenue 46.77 billion. Ouch. Versus 46.2 billion expected. So yeah, 25.9. So it looks like we might touch 26 again. Let's go get it. See, it's starting to flatten right now. Top wick. Getting top wicks right there. Yeah, top wicking all the way. Yeah, maybe we'll retrace back down to what exactly is it? 25,900. Hmm. Got a bottom wick there. Yeah, 25.9 maybe. Maybe we'll pull back to 25.9. Mhm. Oh, looks like we're making a bounce. No, still above. Wake up, top. Today at 8, or is it 8? Yeah, at 8:30 this morning. We got core CPI numbers coming out. So yeah, we'll see what it does. 25.912. All right, we're getting a doji. Indecision, but I'm thinking we're getting ready to pull back. If we cross this 14, if we cross that, then I might take a short and catch a pullback, catch it down to 900 or so. I don't even know if that's worth it, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's 7:30. We got an hour before CPI. ADP employment change. That says it's tentative. NFIB small business index, that was 99.5 forecast, and the actual is 99.5, but that's a yellow folder. Building permits, that comes out at 8:30 also. That's a yellow folder. Red folder is core CPI and CPI month over month and year over year. So, all right, so in the 1 minute, we're holding the 14. I don't know if I necessarily like those dojis. All right. Everything is looking bullish on the 5. Up ahead is 10 points. Let's go for it. Let's get one. Get one at 10. Now let's do 905. Let's do 905. If we hit 905, then that'll be for the pullback. And that'll be to bounce back up to the upside. I might go up already if it runs up before that. Maybe that should have did 910. It's 4 points. Just hovering right here at 913, 914. 5. Basically in a holding pattern, I would imagine, for the next hour. Yeah, it's slowly going up. Well, no top wick. Man, my lips are burning. Take a shower. Mm, 16, 15. Like I said, I'm waiting on the pullback to 205. I mean 905. Looks like we might go to 21st though. All right, pulling back. Maybe we get in at 10. Yeah, I don't know. I might need to get it, not hold this one. Just stay out until the data comes out. You know what I'm saying? Don't get caught into nothing. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be able to get me a quick 10 points, but it ain't even moving. It just moved 3 points. That ain't worth it. Pulling back slightly. All right, 9:15. Hmm. So I got this order here, 25,880, just in case it hits. Over here, If I gotta go to sleep, I just fell asleep and ran my face into the microphone. I don't think I need to make no trades. I'm definitely not here present. This is bullish for sure. Now I could do one looking for the upside to 163. So let's get that. Boom. All right. And we'll get out at top side 161. 164. We went it's 165. 67. All right, so we're gonna put an order in for potential upside to 160, 160, 164. Maybe it'll pop up or it'll pull back. I don't know. That's our yellow over there. I mean, honestly, if you're gonna YOLO something, you should at least get 100 out of it. What is that? Do 180. All right, so we'll go for that. Right now, we're pulling back. Kind of in the middle. I'm gonna put one down here. That way, if it hits, maybe it'll go back up. Play back to the upside. Up. 909, 908. 15 minutes or so before CPI starts. You know what? I'm not even gonna risk nothing. I already entered one over here and that's not working out to my benefit. Yeah, see we're down 30. Hoping to capture a swing to the upside. So that'll be our gambling play. We won't do nothing else. See what this does for CPI. Could work or not. Yeah, what's happening here? Curling down. We are finally meeting up with the 48 though. But it looks like we're going down. Yeah, and that's okay. We're still in the middle right now, so no need in playing nothing. Well, when you look at here, I went away, took a shower, came back, and we got some money in our pocket. 60 bucks we made. So our target was hit. I said I should have went up there. Ooh, boy, I should have went for it. Uh. Oh well, that's good. 60. That's on that contract. Let's switch back over here. So I'm assuming that the the CPI numbers were good. Let's take a look back to the upside. Eh, it's 8:33. I don't see anything in here. Why is this running? Let's see something. Okay, there they are. I had to refresh. Okay, so here we go. ADP weekly employment change 11K. They didn't have a forecast. The previous month was 11, so it was 11.8. That's ADP numbers. Core CPI forecast is 0.3%, and we got 0.2%. That's down. Building permits were down. Forecast was -5. We got a -13. And CPI month over month, zero point 0.3. We got zero point 0.3, expected zero point 0.3. CPI year over year, 2.7. We expected 2.7. So the core CPI is what made the market run. Um, so that's cool. So that's that. So this is our range now. Let's see, where are we at? This is here. I'll put that right there where it was. Where's my there, right? And put this back like that. What are we gonna call this? CPI. All right, so that's our CPI range right now. That's where we're sitting. I mean, that's pretty good. That's how many points is that? 902 to 46. 100 and some points. Yeah, I should have done gone YOLO in there, but I didn't want to, so it's okay. It's okay that I didn't want to. We got our 60 on the other side, and we just base hits. That's it. Not going for nothing crazy. Go to the 1 minute. It's crazy. That's what that is. 1 minute's the same as that 5 minute. The 15:30. Well, we're not far out. We wick. Let's see. What did we start wicking at? Yeah, we wick back down to this level. So we're still within that range. You know what I mean? It's a nice wick and all, but still in that range. So 2600, we broke 2600. We went to 2646. Coming back down now. I'm not gonna short anything. Maybe know it seems like you could catch something on a pullback, but we're not gonna do that. Yeah. So looking good. I mean, I got 60 on the other side. That play worked out. And over here, we didn't enter anything. So we're cool. Now we're pulling back. And in this pullback, I'll play this back to the upside for the day. Once we get back down to maybe possibly, yeah, 936 or so. What is that? That's at 935. Oh. All right, what we got? One more minute on this candle. Top wick still above the range. Pulling back slightly. 970. I probably could have played that down to the downside. It would have been 30 points, but no need to risk it. Now, what we will do is play it back to the upside. We'll play back to 603. So, where are we at? 82, 80. We'll catch one at 80. I like 85 for a number. And we'll play 85 back to the upside to 2630. 2630. All right, yo. Making a small push up. Still kind of flat though. Volume's light. Maybe I hold this, like I said, to the upside. Did I even put a play in? I didn't even put the play in. I gotta stop dozing off, man. I bet those I gotta go to sleep. 934 was our high. So we'll play this back to 930. Go right back. Let's get 100 to 935. Did we even hit that? Let's see. We hit 946. We'll do 935. Greedy? Is that greedy? Is that too greedy? Might catch it in the beginning when the market opens. All right, so I'm in on that at 18. The high on this one was 274. So we'll play it back to 274. This one was 226. We'll keep it classy. We'll just go to 40. All right, so I ain't swinging for the fences on this one. Just get 62. That's 18, 20. 20 points. Thereabout. Catch it on the way up. If we get if we get a push up off of this data when the market opens. For some reason I keep dreaming about basketball. I can't play basketball. Man, see what's going on pulling back. I would that looks like a bull flag, but trying to form, but it's tricky. You never know. You know what I'm saying? Tricky. What is this thing doing? I knew this. All right, it look like market get ready to open. I'm thinking we're gonna be down. We heading down. Looks like down. So if we go down right away, then this right here will be maybe later on in the day. But it definitely looks like we're aiming down. I don't like this candle right here, this doji. Alright, 62, 63. Been sitting in that for a while, but we definitely looking. All right, yep, there it is. Drop. Let's see what happens. We're gonna hold it. All right, bottom wick, that's cool. Touching the 14. But definitely an instant pullback. All right, touch the 48, coming back up. Let's see what we got. See if we got any buyers in here. If we got anybody left, or if everybody retired from the pre-market. Sitting at 50, still pushing bottom wick. Bounced off the 48, which is good. Let's see what the next candle holds. Yeah, I think it's coming back down. Definitely slower than I thought. Pretty weak, Cole. Damn near like it's almost flat. Doesn't know what it wants to do. No top wick, bottom wick. Let's see what's happening. I fell asleep. I already realized I was knocked out. I had y'all on mute. Yeah, this candle is bearish for sure. First 5 minutes. Yeah, now I'm having FOMO that I didn't buy one earlier and I wouldn't even have to be in here. But I don't have to be in here now. I'm just in here. As someone said, if you don't make a trade today, what's gonna happen? Nothing. Uh, and I had a little morning nap. I think I'm gonna transfer some money from my 401k. 'Cause Think we got something coming up. Uh, all right, this 5 minute candle is closing. Let's see if it's gonna close bullish or bearish. It's pushing back to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Pin bar. Get turned into a hammer. There you go. All right, that's a good move. Hot wick instantly though. I don't like that. Diddling in the middle. All right, at least we back green. Oh boy. Knocked out, yo. I be getting those power naps, man. Them power naps be dangerous. They be dangerous. That's what night shift does to you, though. Four, seven, eight, nine, six, seven, two. Nine, six, four, seven, eight, nine, six. Oh, nine, nine, seven, seven. All right, falling back down. Another doji. Mark, this thing don't know what it wants to do. All right, we're still pulling back. Kind of doing a doji. We don't know what we want to do. Volume is 28. That's decent. All right, so we got a little push, but we wicking, top wicking up at the top. Still in the same range. We haven't broken out of that range. Ain't held it. All right, let's go. All right, we just got that order over there on the other one. Let's see, we holding. Let's see, we got 82. Broke out. Need a slight push up. Let's keep going. All right, so we still in it. We're at 88. All right, 87. Let's see what we at. 26, 30. We're at 26, 27. Got 10 points. We're holding for 10 more points. Let's see what happened over here on our March. On our, hey, there it goes. There it is. There it goes. All right, so that's it, man. Hit that 400. That's it. We done for the day. Done for the day. That was good. I like that. All right, so let's see what we got on this 15 minute. So as you can see, we hit 400 right quick. We got in that one early at 26. What was that? 80, 85 or whatever it was. And over here on our March contract. Well, let's go here. Go to activity. Let's talk about it. All right, so we got in at 25, 985, and we held that long for 26.35. Worked out. Got 100 on that. Over here on the June contract, we got in at 26, 176, and we held that. We held that to 49, and we got that. Let's see, what did we get for that one? Transactions. So we got 99 on the one for March. We got 61 on the one for June. But for the day for June, we had 58 and 61. So we should be up over 100. What are we at? We at 213 on the day. Yeah. So that's nice. Good to go. And it's only 9:44. We can stop. And guess what? We're gonna stop. We're even gonna stop the stream. We ain't even gonna stream, make a long stream for nothing. So nice, nice, nice. That's all I can say. It's nice. All right, y'all enjoy the market. Guess what? I'm gonna stay with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna stay with it. All right, stocks 5150. What do we get for today? 122 on that contract, and June got 122. In March, why is it not changing? It was acting like it didn't want to change. March, we got 100. All right, we good to go. Like I said, 40 a day is all we need, and we got 200 total. 100 on this contract. So that's good, and we're gonna close out. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Y'all have a good day.